Here we have a 2016 Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 4x4 DCB TDCI. Now with this vehicle you do get the 18-inch alloy wheels with the off-road tyres. We've also got the sea grey metallic exterior paintwork, which looks absolutely fantastic. Coming around to this corner you'll notice you've got the side steps down below. You've then got the roof rails on both the front and rear of the vehicle. Coming to the back here, we've got the Truckman rear canopy to give you that additional storage space and protect your items in the back from the elements. We've also got reversing camera and rear parking sensor. Come around to this corner, you'll see we've also got the wide arch kit on this vehicle, which looks absolutely fantastic. Now let's have a quick look at the interior. Starting at the rear, we've got the half leather interior throughout, and how fantastic does it look with the orange features as well. You've got the ISO fixed points within the seats, fold down armrest in the centre, 12 volt connectivity in the middle, storage pockets behind the front seats. On the doors you've got your brushed metal handle, electric window control and integrated speakers. Having a look at the front now, we've got that same half leather interior, again with the orange stitching and fabric. We've also got the WILDTRAK stitching on either side, which looks fantastic. On the doors, brushed metal handle, unlock and lock button, electric window controls with auto functions for the driver. We've also got a child lock. Now the driver does also benefit from electrical adjustments on their seat, so it's incredibly easy to get comfortable in here. Auto lights on your right, power folding electric wing mirror controls just there too. You've then got features like cruise control and speed limiter found on the steering wheel. Infotainment screen in the centre just there with a multitude of great features too. And now you'll find features like your 2 high, 4 high and 4 low driving modes, as well as traction control and hill descent control. We can also take manual control with the gear stick in the centre just there too. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.